Hello, Pinky. It's Pinky and the Brain. And Luthag is a good girl. She's the best. She's a gentle giant compared to these dogs. That's Pinky on her back. She's a poodle with pink hair. That's why her name's Pinky. And Brain, no Brain. Pinky is very mellow. No Brain. Pinky, hey guys. Pinky is the most submissive. Brain is a male. Hey, Brain, stop it. Oh yeah, you sound so vicious. You sound so vicious, little dog. And Brain is not neutered, I don't think, and pretty sure, obviously. He has balls. Anyway, Brain is very crazy. He's probably a puppy. He's very hyper and aggressive, but not in a mean way. He's just a nut. Yes. Brain is a Chihuahua, I think, mixed with a Terrier. And he's really cute. They're both really cute. And they just came to our doorstep like they know. It's like they know that I'm a dog person and I'm just here. No collars, no tags. Gotta skip their chip today. You guys are so silly. And little dog is liking having dogs to play with. And luckily they're not too big and so she won't get angry. She's not usually even this crazy with them, but obviously. Oh my goodness. Yes, you tell them, dog. You tell them, dog. Pinky, no. Don't be biting. Pinky, no. Luthag, you're the best. So cute. So silly. Oh. Pinky, come here, Pinky. Hi, Pinky. Look at Pinky. There's Brain. 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 Pinky. Brain. Pinky, come here. I mean, Brain. Brain. Brain, come here. So silly. Brain. Yeah, they're so Little dog, calm down now. Little dog. Settle, little dog. Are you frustrated? Are you frustrated? Hey. You're getting out of hand now. Shh. Settle. Settle. You've had your doggish fun. Now you have to settle down. That's a good girl. Pinky, no. Little dog, no. End of video.